Did you know a radio broadcast once led to a landmark Supreme Court case that defined how the government can regulate indecent speech? In the FCC versus Pacifica Foundation, a controversy began when a New York radio station aired the comedian George Carlin's monologue, Filthy Words in the Afternoon. A father listening with his young son complained to the FCC, which issued a warning to the station for broadcasting indecent material during hours when children were likely to be listening. The case eventually made its way to the U.S. Supreme Court, where the justices ruled in a 5-4 decision that the FCC did not violate the First Amendment by regulating indecent content. The court emphasized the unique nature of broadcast media, pointing out its pervasive presence and accessibility to children. The ruling did not outlaw Carlin's speech, but it allowed the FCC to restrict when and how such speech could be aired. Importantly, the court distinguished between obscenity, which is not protected by the First Amendment at all, and indecency, which is protected but can be regulated in certain contexts. FCC v. Pacifica Foundation set a precedent for how the government could control broadcast content without outright censorship. It affirmed the government's authority to protect public interest in specific settings, especially when children might be exposed to adult language. The decision remains significant today as it helped define the limits of free speech in mass media, especially before the rise of the internet and subscription-based platforms where the same rules don't always apply.